Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our current inventory. Our phone number and website are in the description. Today we got a 2006 Isuzu NPR. The orange cab. It's got a 20-foot box on here. Box has been repainted. Got some Firestone tires on here. A lot of tread left on those. The chassis has been repainted as well with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. Keeps any new rust from forming and prevents any existing rust from spreading. This truck's got a rollback door with a ramp, as you can see here. Box is in great condition. Got some E-tracks. Some nice side protection here. Let's go ahead and take a look in the cab here. This thing's been fully detailed inside and out. Got a new floor mat in here. Seats are in great condition. Got a fire extinguisher for emergencies. Go ahead and fire this thing up. This truck's got 100,000 miles, 662. No lights on the dash. Full gas tank. It's also got a interesting feature here. It's got a roof vent, and you can tilt this to where it lets air in the front or the back, so if you want air to come in or air to go out. It's closed now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. These Isuzus, being a cab over engine style, has a little bit different way of opening the hood here. So you're first going to pull on this metal bar here, and that unlocks this. You lift this up, you pull this second lever, mechanism here locks the hood in place, and you lift that up to release it. This truck has a 5.2 liter Isuzu 4HK1 TC 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, coupled with an automatic transmission. The nice thing about these cab over engine trucks is it's very easy to get in here and work on the engine. This thing's looking and running great. It's ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2006 Isuzu NPR with a 5.2 liter turbo diesel engine and a 20-foot box. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.